Identifying your top performing users can improve your response times by finding out what they're doing right. And also, failing to identify users who aren't responding to notifications quickly enough can have serious consequences for your business. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to use the xMatters User Performance Report and see how your users are responding. The User Performance Report is divided into two tabs, Alerts and Incidents. It's important to note that the user performance data is updated only after alerts have been terminated and incidents have been resolved. Let's take a look at alerts first. On this page, you can filter the reports by date, users, supervisors, site, source, and priority. The Alerts section shows you the total number of alerts each of your users has received. The Responses section tells you how many of those alerts they've responded to and what the contribution values of those responses had. Contribution values are set in the Responses tab of your workflow forms. The time to respond shows you the average response time and the longest time a user has taken to respond to a message. You can also hide each column if you don't need to see it. After Hours Alert shows you how many alerts were sent to users from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and on weekends. Escalations tells you how many times an alert has been escalated from this user, and if the escalation was to a peer or management. The escalation behavior is the same, the terms are only used for reporting purposes. You can click any column heading to sort the data in ascending or descending order. You can click the number of alerts in the Alerts column to drill through to a filtered version of the Alerts report to view details about specific underlying alerts. Click on a user's name to display their contact card. In the charts displayed, you will see alerts, mean time to first response, and escalations, broken down by user. From here, you can click and drag your pointer to brush over the data graphs. To adjust the selected area, move your pointer over the right or left border so that the drag handles appear, and then click and drag the border to a new position. Click Apply Timeframe to highlight and summarize the data for a specific time period. Click the expand icon to view the data graphs in full screen mode. Select or deselect the Show User Performance Charts checkbox to display or hide the data graphs. Over on the Incidents tab, you can see similar report options and filters for your users' incidents. You can see who the resolver was, the number of incidents they resolved, the mean time to acknowledge, the mean time to resolve, and the engaged duration time. You can click on the incidents count in the Incidents column to drill through to a filtered version of the incidents list to view details about specific underlying incidents. If you need a record of the report, you can export it by clicking on the Export button in the top right corner. To try the User Performance Report yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and please subscribe for more content.